Morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. How are you all, children? I am sure you are fine at home. Children, I Tapas sir, today going to teach class 4 students science root. Today's lesson is the second part of lesson number 13. The first part I have told you now about the safety rules. Now in this also that same lesson I will continue. Lesson number 13. Let's see the lesson. Safety rules first aid. Part 2. Today I am going to conclude this lesson through this video. It is very important to you should watch it attentively at home. Let's start the lesson. First aid for some injuries. Bruise. A bruise is a wound caused by a fall or a hand blow that does not break the skin but make it turn black and blue. The best first aid to give for a bruise is to keep putting cold water or wet towel or handkerchief soaked in water. Means bruise generally have when we have a bad fall. Bruise does not bring any blood. It makes the place black spot. Sometimes it is red or also. That type of condition on the skin have a very excuse me children, painful. That is very painful for the person who is having bruise. You should do best to make the person free from the pain is put cold water or ice pack water on the injured person's part, and otherwise have a wet towel over it. That time you will find that the person having bruise will have little bit relief from the pain. Then cut. If a person get a minor cut, wash the cut in clean water. If you have some antiseptic, put it on. If not, keep the cut clean by covering it with clean and cloth or band-aid. If the cut is very deep, press the cloth on tightly and try to stop the bleeding until the medical help comes. Cut may be minor, sometimes major. If it is minor cut, please wash with clean water. Apply some antiseptic lotion like Dettol or any other antiseptic lotions are there. You can use that to clean the dust or the germs or impurities which are there in the blood. Please clean it. Then put a band-aid. If you find the cut is big, it is a major cut, please press it with tightly with your you can say band-aid band. Tie it with a cotton and band-aid using band-aid so that the flow of blood will become less or it will stop. Then you please immediately take the person to the doctor, because that type of wound or cut, a bigger cut, cannot be stopped through this cotton or band-aid. It should need a stitch, and that the doctor will do, or he will take care of it. Then that shows that you know much about how to handle the cut. If it is minor cut, use band-aid, and before doing that, please wash it with antiseptic lotion. If it is a major cut, you can wash it with antiseptic lotion, but tying it tightly with a cotton and bandage and take the patient to the doctor. Thing in someone's ear. Pour a little sweet oil into the ear and perhaps the thing will come out. If the door it does not take the patient to a doctor, do not try to take the thing out of the piece of the wire or wood. Means if somebody is in somebody's ear something has fallen, in most of the time we find small children there something goes into the ear, you take some sweet oil and put it inside the ear. Sometimes this anything which went inside like small insects they go inside the ear, the sweet oil will make them to come out of the ear. If they do not come out, then please take the person or the child to the doctor and to the ENT doctor. The ENT doctor will surely help you in this regard. Things in someone's eyes. Eyes is the most sensitive part of human body. Do not allow the patient to rub the eyes. If something went inside the eyes, do not rub it. It can cause a big problem if through rubbing. See if tears will wash away the thing with a clean handkerchief folded into the cone. The thing can be moved if not take the patient to a doctor. If try to take a handkerchief and fold it in a conical way and put it inside the eye and try to find out the thing which is there inside the eye and try to use it very softly to take out the thing from the eyes if it is in any corner of the eye. If you can't do so, please take the child to the eye doctor, and eye doctor he is having instrument to take out the thing which goes inside the eye easily. Things in the nose. The same case, nose also very sensitive part of human body. Tell the patient to breathe through his or her mouth and take him to the doctor. If something went, sometimes small children put something inside the nose. In that case, you cannot take it out at home. You please advise that child to breathe through mouth and take him to the doctor. Doctor is having so many instruments, through those instruments easily he can take out the thing which went inside the nose. Burn. If the burn is minor, run cold water or put ice cube on the burnt portion. If there is a bleach over a large area, take him to the doctor. Means burn can happen any place or anywhere, any place part of our body. If it is small burn or minor burn, please put cold water or ice cube over it. If the burn is major, then please take the patient to the doctor, because a big blister, sometimes it happens if hot water fall on your body, big blister occur on the skin. It is very hard to handle those blisters. They become so dangerous. If you touch, the patient will have so much pain. You please take the patient to the doctor. Doctor can easily handle those blisters and make the patient comfortable. If you will take the patient to the doctor, he will surely help you to make the patient free from the pain. Then comes nosebleed. Make the patient sit and lie down with head and shoulder raised above the body. Pinch the nostril together to stop bleeding. Sometimes a cold wet towel applied to the face and the back of the neck help to stop bleeding. Nose bleeding also a big problem for some children. They generally have a problem. Naturally, the blood comes out from the nose. In that case, you make the child to sit like this, keeping his head upward, seeing to the sky, so that the nose will not be. If it is like this, slowly it will start bleeding. If you keep the nose in this position, surely the blood flow will less and if it doesn't stop, then take the person to the doctor. If it is little bit, you will find that blood is coming little bit less, then put a wet towel over the face. This cold effect on the nose will surely make the patient relief. Insect bite and sting. Take out the sting of possible, put on some solution made of water and washing soda or water and baking soda. For bite of bees or wasp, apply ice or ice water on the affected area. If bees or insect, any type of insect bite you, especially bees and wasp, this you try to take out the stings from your skin. If you you can easily see the sting are there. If you use a tweezer to take out the sting, you will find that the pain will be very less. If you cannot do so, use washing soda or baking soda over the area where the bees has bite you. There you will find that washing soda and baking soda solution will surely make you get you relief from the pain. Someone's clothes catches fire. If someone's clothes catch fire, wrap him or her tightly in a blanket. By this means, air will be prevented from reaching the fire, and it will die out. If your clothes catch fire, start rolling immediately on the ground. By doing so, the fire will put off. If somebody catch fire, use a blanket to cover the body. By covering the body, the air cannot go inside the body. Then the surely whatever fire was there in the clothes will surely it will go off. If it is not possible, if there is no blanket, make the person to roll on the ground. Rolling on the ground in the soil will surely help to extinguish the fire. If once the fire is extinguished from the clothes, then there is no problem or no pain for the person. Children, second part also over. Like first part, this is also very important part, how to keep yourself safety and what are the measures you should take to keep yourself safety. You should know, if you read the book as well as you will watch this video, it will surely you will know about the things which you can do at home, in the school and the ground, wherever you are. If small or big incident happened or accident happened, how to handle it. Through this video I have explained you. Now you watch it repeatedly at home to know more about this lesson. Thank you children. God bless you. Have a good day.